Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage life policies with Nationwide, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Nationwide website to access your life policy information. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you haven't created an account yet, select the register option. Follow the prompts to set up your account by providing necessary information like your policy number and personal details. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Here, you will find a list of all your life insurance policies. Select the specific policy you want to manage or review. You will see details about coverage amounts, beneficiaries, and payment history. To make changes, look for the Manage Policy option. You can update beneficiary information, adjust coverage, or change payment methods as needed. If you want to make a payment, click on the Payments section. Choose whether to set up a one-time payment or enroll in automatic payments. Follow the prompts to complete your payment securely. If you have any questions or need assistance, visit the support section. You can find FAQs or contact customer service for more personalized help. Be sure to keep your account information secure by logging out after each session. Regularly review your policies to ensure they meet your current needs and life changes. Managing your life policies effectively with Nationwide ensures peace of mind for you and your loved ones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.